Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about this awesome comforter in the twin size that I have here. So I got this for my toddler's room for something for him to be nice and cozy with, and this has definitely done a great job at that. It is lightweight, but it is thick, if that makes sense. So it's thick enough to keep him warm, but it's not heavy where I'm like nervous that it's gonna like be too heavy for him. It's in this nice white color, which is awesome, and it is so nice and soft. It also has the little tabs for a duvet insert so that you can put a duvet cover over it and not have to worry about cleaning it all the time, like this part. And also you can change up your style all the time if you add a different duvet on it. So it's nice because this is something that will last you a while. And it's so versatile with the fact that you can put a duvet over it. So I love this. I think it's great. It's really helped ease my mama heart knowing my son is warm, and I like cozying up with it as well. So it gets an A+ in my book, and that's my point of view.